This may be your last chance to grab your favorite altcoins really cheap before they surge. Welcome back to Cryptogains. I want to show you what I see in the price charts, show you a bit of altcoins, as I say AI, show you some altcoins, show you some Bitcoin. If it sounds interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe, stick around. So I'm showing you this chart here. I showed you in the last sort of TA video how I feel like altcoins, this is total 3, right? So all of the money that's in altcoins, excluding Bitcoin, excluding Ethereum, just your favorite altcoins, how I feel like they're really going to surge. So I've woken up today, seen the price of Bitcoin go up. I'm now starting to see this altcoin do some form of a V-shaped recovery and come up. I believe it's going to come up to this blue box up here at some point in the future. The peak of this blue box, the top part, is about $1.8 trillion, which means $1 trillion is going to come into the market, right? And I really believe it's going to happen, which means if you've not been paying attention, now should be your last chance to really pay attention, because from what I'm seeing with these charts, this is Bitcoin on the daily chart. When you look at the RSI, this is the relative strength index to see, are we overbought, oversold? The worst part where we was oversold was right down here. That's sort of like the time where you want to be looking at to buy. Well, what's happened here as well, actually, is we've done this thing called a bullish divergence, where price goes low and makes a lower low. Now, let me zoom into the chart so you can see, right? It makes a low, and then it makes a lower low. And whilst that's happening, you've got the indicator doing a low and a higher low. This is called a bullish divergence, which means the price tends to flip around and start to shoot up. And that's practically what's played out, right? So these were your last opportunities to buy the cheapest possible since this massive capitulative drop. I think we're going up now. And I think we're going to go towards my target of $120,000 or $122,000. I think I marked it on one of these charts, right? This one right here, $122,000. So please, who's paying attention? Because if you're someone that keeps saying, you know what, I'm going to wait for one last dip. It's going down to 70K. I'm going to wait for one last dip. Could do. But if it doesn't, you're going to be waiting a long time. And then what will happen is you will FOMO in when it gets to about 100K or 97K cap, because you're going to feel like you've missed the opportunity. And at that point, all of these altcoins are surging. I just got to laugh because I've said it so many times. I've been here since 2015, where many people think we're going to go lower and go lower, and I'm going to wait. And what happens is they wait. This thing goes ripping and roaring. It's already pierced through this yellow 20-day moving average, which usually is a resistance. As you can see in the past, it's always been a resistance. Look, falls down, comes again, falls down. Try again, fell down. Now it's breaking through. And if it gets more candles clean, we're going to just see this. This is what you're going to see. You're just going to see it go up and up and up. And then it will reach my target of at least $122,000. And at that point, you will FOMO in and you will miss out, and you'll buy the top and you'll likely get dumped on. So this is all about strategy. It's all about understanding charts, reading charts, understanding where you are in this market. Are you someone that's still holding and waiting for it to dip? Let me tell you what I've got my eyes on right now. Things like AI16Z, things like Edwin, things like Bell's coin, which is a meme coin that could kill it because, you know, the founder of Dogecoin created this before Doge. Things like pepe, that still has substance because of Pepe. When Pepe surges, this is going to move. Things like bubble maps, the best utility tool for analyzing hodlers in this crypto space to see what's really going on with a project. Man, I'm just showing you those little hints there. But we will see what happens in the next few weeks. Let me just flip this, because on every date, every time frame, you've missed its bottom down here. Look, so let me switch this to the 2-day time frame. This is the 2-day time frame. Again, we're coming up to test this yellow line on the 2-day. I think we will break through it, and when we do, things go crazy. When you break through this line, things start to surge, right? But look, down here was your chance to buy, right? And now you can see on this RSI, the relative strength index is coming up. Same with the stochastic RSI, is buy momentum. Let's flip it to the 3-day time frame. So on the 3-day time frame, let me get rid of this circle, get rid of this line, because I was showing you the bullish divergence. Get rid of that one as well. This is where you should have been buying, really, on the 3-day time frame down here. Look at the stochastic RSI. There's buy momentum coming in. I can't even move it. Look, this bottom one. There's buy momentum coming in. It means both lines are coming upwards. They're coming up. And this is coming upwards, right? Which means this is eventually going to come up and test this yellow line. It will break through it at a 90k level, and then we will see it come up and test new the all-time highs, and it will come up and make a new all-time high. At least that's what I think. Yeah. So this is happening on all time frames. You've seen the bottom. You've seen the full capitulative drop. Now could be the time. I'm going to leave it here. If it's helpful, drop the like, give me a subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. I know I talk fast. Become a patron. The link is in the info section. Click it, come over. I've got 7 tiers. I'm showing them what I'm doing, when I'm going to sell, when I'm buying. I've done most of my buys now. I'm just sitting back, waiting for this last massive wave, this massive hype, and I'm going to sell it and make millions. I'm telling you, watching, you're going to see the videos. Stick around. You like and subscribe. You'll see, because I'm not joking about. Yeah, one thing I've learned over my sort of 10 years being in crypto is I understand when to move with the market and when the trend can change. 7 tiers, take your pick. My exclusive VIP partner tier unlocks all my posts you'll see when I'm buying, selling, staking, all of that stuff if you can afford it. The next tier above gives you access to my VIP Telegram group. It's the It's the CEO tier. You have access to the VIP group. Smart investors over there understand trends, understand what they're doing. Yeah, you come check it out. Be part of a powerful network, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Cheers.
Never be defeated.